Today, we'll cover 8 essential tips that can help you build sustainable, healthy habits to support your weight loss journey. Each of these tips is simple but highly effective if practiced consistently. Let's dive into each one, discussing the benefits, best methods, and things to keep in mind. 1. Eat slowly. One of the easiest ways to manage your weight is by eating slowly. When you eat too quickly, your brain doesn't get a chance to register fullness until you've already overeaten. Eating slowly gives your body time to feel satisfied with less food. Try putting your utensils down between bites and savor each mouthful. Eating slowly also aids digestion, as thoroughly chewing your food helps your stomach process it more easily. If you find it difficult at first, start by setting a timer or giving yourself small breaks between bites. 2. Aerobic exercise, walking. Aerobic exercise, especially walking, is one of the most accessible and effective ways to support weight loss. Walking increases your heart rate, helping you burn calories without putting too much strain on your body. You can start with 20 to 30 minutes daily, gradually increasing the duration or pace as you build stamina. Try taking a brisk walk after meals to help with digestion and keep your metabolism active. Remember to wear comfortable shoes and stay hydrated. If possible, find a scenic route or a park, which can make your walks enjoyable and encourage you to stick with this habit. 3. Protein intake. Protein is a crucial part of any weight loss diet because it helps keep you full and supports muscle maintenance, which can boost your metabolism. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, and beans. Try incorporating a source of protein with each meal to help curb hunger and stabilize your blood sugar levels. However, be mindful of portion sizes, especially with high-fat protein sources, to avoid unnecessary calorie intake. If you're vegetarian or vegan, plant-based protein options like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa are excellent choices. 4. Vegetable intake. Vegetables are essential for weight loss because they're low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you full without adding many calories to your diet. Leafy greens, bell peppers, carrots, and zucchini are great choices as they can be easily added to most meals. Aim to fill half of your plate with vegetables to ensure you're getting enough. Be cautious with sauces or dressings, which can add extra calories. Steaming or grilling your vegetables is a great way to retain nutrients while keeping the calorie count low. 5. Eat lightly for dinner. Eating a lighter dinner can help you maintain a calorie deficit and avoid discomfort when going to bed. Try focusing on smaller portions, especially with carbs and fats, and prioritize protein and vegetables. This can aid digestion and improve sleep quality, as your body won't be working hard to process a large meal. Keep in mind that light doesn't mean skipping dinner. It's about making mindful choices that are easier to digest. For instance, opt for a vegetable soup or a salad with lean protein instead of heavier dishes. 6. Stay away from sweets. Staying away from sweets is one of the more challenging aspects of weight loss, but reducing sugar intake can have a big impact on your progress. Sugar is calorie-dense and can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to cravings and overeating. If you're craving something sweet, try reaching for a piece of fruit, which offers natural sugars along with fiber and nutrients. Be mindful of hidden sugars in packaged foods, especially snacks and beverages. Reading labels carefully can help you avoid excess sugar and make healthier choices. 7. Nuts as a snack. Nuts are a fantastic snack option because they are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews are popular choices, but remember that nuts are calorie-dense, so moderation is key. A small handful, about 20-30 grams, can satisfy hunger and provide sustained energy, but eating too many can add up in calories. Choose unsalted, raw, or lightly roasted nuts for the healthiest option. If you're on the go, portion out a few servings ahead of time to avoid overeating. 8. Making a habit of the above 7. The final step is to turn these practices into habits. Consistency is the most important factor in making progress, and these healthy habits need to become part of your lifestyle to have a lasting impact. Set small goals for each habit, such as eating slowly for 1 meal a day or walking 3 times a week, and gradually build on them. Track your progress and celebrate small wins to keep yourself motivated. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and you'll notice how much easier it is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. By following these 8 tips, you'll be on your way to achieving sustainable weight loss and healthier habits. Remember, consistency is key, and making small, manageable changes will set you up for success. Keep going and celebrate each step of your journey. You've got this. Please subscribe, like, and set notifications